Hi. In this video I hope to demonstrate how you can get a good night's sleep despite loud traffic noise or noisy neighbours or train noise, whatever. And I must emphasize though before I start that first of all you use this method at your own risk. So I do not want to be sued by somebody who, for example, missed a fire alarm and got injured as a result. So secondly, I want to emphasize that I'm not getting paid from anybody to make this video. So this is what you need to get a decent night's sleep. You need earplugs such as these, that are guaranteed to stop noise up to 105 decibels, 105 dBs. And you can, if you search Google for earplugs 105 dB, then you'll find them. They're a little bit more expensive than earplugs that have got a lower decibel coverage, but it's worth it. And if you can wear this, you can wear this type up to 2 or 3 nights. So it doesn't cost a great deal to get a good night's sleep for a pair of those earplugs. Second thing you need is sticking plaster like this, which is 1 inch wide, and it's silky. And the best thing is you don't need scissors to tear it. You can just do this. You can simply tear a piece off like that, and it's not so sticky that it's difficult to get off your skin. You can pull it off your ear like that fairly easily, but it's still enough to keep the earplug in place. So, okay, those are the 2 things you need. The earplugs actually are about 1 inch in length, and at the base there is about 1/2 inch diameter, and they're spongy. Right, so what do? The first thing you do is you take an earplug, squash it so that, like this, but leaving the end of the earplug open, unsquashed, like that. So it looks something like that when it's been squashed. Then you insert it in the ear, point it towards sort of as if you were aiming for just below your eye, push it in, but at the same time pull your ear upwards and backwards, sort of as if you're pulling it towards the top of the back of your head. And then let go of your ear, wait about 10 seconds, then tear a piece of this off, so about say 2 inches long, like that. Okay, then push the earplug back in quickly, and then as quick as you can, put your finger through the middle, in the middle of the piece of sticky tape, like that, and then push the earplug back into the ear, and then use your fingers and thumb to stick it here and inside in the inner part of the ear, like that. That's how it should look. And it should be just about level with the bottom of this inner part of the ear, about the bottom level with this, otherwise the earplug might sort of slip out, squeeze itself out through the bottom. So you'll find that the earplug will expand, but it's not enough but it'll be kept in place by the sticky tape. So, and yeah, you repeat for this ear, and if you, in the morning wash the inner part of the ear with water, warm water, because don't use soap because it'll get dry, just to stop itching behind the earplug. And that's it really. Hope you get a good night's sleep. Cheers.